Hello everyone, let's see the another MCQs in the neurophysiotherapy. The first one, the Romberg test is used to assess A. Vestibular function, B. Cerebellar function, C. Proprioception, D. Motor strength. So the answer is C. Proprioception. Number 2, clonus is a sign of A. Hypotonia, B. Upper motor neuron lesion, C. Peripheral neuropathy, D. Spinal shock. So the answer is B. Upper motor neuron lesion. Number 3. The most common site of stroke in the brain is A. Posterior cerebral artery, B. Middle cerebral artery, C. Anterior cerebral artery, D. Basilar artery. So the answer is MCA, Middle cerebral artery. Number 4. The characteristic tremor of Parkinson's disease is A. Intention tremor, B. Resting tremor, C. Postural tremor, D. Essential tremor. So the answer is B. Resting tremor. Number 5. The Glasgow Coma Scale GCS includes assessment of A. Sensory function, B. Motor response, verbal response and eye opening, C. Reflexes, D. Balance. So the answer is B. Motor response, verbal response and eye opening. Number 6. GBS, Guillain-Barré syndrome primarily affects A. CNS, B. PNS, C. Basal ganglia, D. Cerebral cortex. So the answer is B. Peripheral nervous system. Number 7. Brown-Sequard syndrome is characterized by A. Loss of motor and touch on one side, pain on opposite, B. Bilateral motor loss, C. Loss of proprioception bilaterally, D. Flaccid paralysis. So the answer is A. Loss of motor and touch on one side and pain on opposite. Number 8. The earliest sign of raised ICP, intracranial pressure, is A. Bradycardia, B. Hypertension, C. Headache and vomiting, D. Seizures, pain relief. So the answer is headache and vomiting. Number 9. The hallmark feature of multiple sclerosis is A. Demyelination in CNS, B. Peripheral neuropathy, C. Decreased dopamine, D. Amyloid plaque formation. So the answer is A. Demyelination in CNS. Number 10. The most common cause of spinal cord injury is A. Falls, B. Sports injuries, C. Motor vehicle accidents, D. Stroke. The answer is C. Motor vehicle accidents. Number 11. DMD, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, is due to a mutation in A. Myosin, B. Dystrophin, C. Troponin, D. Actin. So the answer is B. Dystrophin. Number 12. The most common cause of cerebral palsy is A. Genetic mutation, B. Prenatal hypoxia, C. Infections, D. Trauma. So the answer is B. Prenatal hypoxia. Number 13. The Berg balance scale assesses A. Coordination, B. Strength, C. Balance, D. Reflexes. So the answer is C. Balance. Number 14. Modified Ashworth scale is used to assess A. Spasticity, B. Strength, C. Coordination, D. Balance. So the answer is A. Spasticity. Number 15. The Fugel-Meyer assessment is used for A. Stroke rehab, B. Spinal cord injury, C. Parkinson's disease, D. Multiple sclerosis. So the answer is A. Stroke rehabilitation. So thank you for watching the video.